Best seat on the bus? Looking for the safest seat on the bus? If safety is the goal, skip the view and pick the buffer. Your best bet is the center third of the coach on the aisle, ideally around or just ahead of the rear axle. That spot is away from the highest impact zones in head-on and rear-end collisions, and the aisle reduces exposure to shattered side glass while giving you quicker access to exits. If seat belts are fitted, they matter more than seat choice. Buckle up every time. Seats to avoid when safety is the top priority: the first 2 to 3 rows, more exposure and frontal impacts; the last row, vulnerable to rear hits, and window seats in busy highway traffic. Bonus smart moves: choose a row near but not blocking an emergency exit. Stow heavy bags low and tight so they don't become projectiles. Keep your feet clear to brace, and stay alert during night rides. Bottom line: middle section, aisle seat, belt on. That's the quiet statistical advantage for your next trip.